$114. That's an amount that you can earn in a matter of minutes with this money-making method that I have for you today. You can earn that much money, and all it takes is a few clicks. Click on an ad, wait for at least 30 seconds, and score some cash. This is something that you can do over and over again, and people from all over the planet use this method, so I'm pretty sure that it'll work for you. The best part is that you don't need to spend any money to be able to get started, and you don't need to own a credit card to be able to get registered. All that you're going to need is your phone and your fingers. With just a few taps, you can start making money. Stay with me because I'm going to spill the tea as to how it works, and I might even throw in a bonus tip here and there. This is an opportunity that you don't want to miss out on. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Rightio, before we get into it, the very first thing that you're going to need to have is a PayPal account. So if you don't already have one, you're going to go to paypal.com and sign up for a completely free account. Now, if you don't know how to do that, you can just click right here and it's going to let you sign up for a completely free account, and it'll bring you to a page that looks like this one where you're going to fill in some of your personal information, and it's really quick and simple. Once you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and click on this button right here, and you're going to have your account up and ready to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, am I right? So once you've gotten all of that ready to go, then you can go ahead and get started with this website that I'm about to tell you about. But if you aren't sure that PayPal is available in your country, you can actually check the website out, and they have a list of countries that they cater to. So you can check out that list and be sure that your country is on that list. But it does cater to a lot of countries worldwide, so chances are your country's probably on there somewhere. And if you don't want to sign up for a free PayPal account, you can also sign up for an online banking account by just heading over to google.com and searching for an online bank account that's available in your country. And you can go ahead and fill out whatever information they need, sign up for an account, and get started. Anywho, if you want to go to the website that I'm going to be talking about today, you're just going to want to visit this website right here. And once you head over here, you're going to be able to sign up for a free account, but be sure that before doing that, you're going to watch this whole video because you don't want to miss out on the special tips that I have. They're going to help you be able to earn a lot more money. So make sure that you stay with me until the end so that you can learn exactly how it works, all the ins and outs, and so that you can score some extra cash. And as you can probably see right here, there are a lot of ways to be able to make money on this site. Like, for example, you can join competitions, participate in offers, recommend your friends, or just enjoy the games that are on here. However, in this video, I'm not going to focus on any of those things or tasks that you can do. Instead, I'm going to be focusing on clicking and visiting websites, which means all you have to do is click on these websites or ads, and then you earn money for doing that. Now, if you aren't completely sold on this site and aren't sure that it's legit, you can actually take a look right here, and it's going to show you the total payout from yesterday, as well as how much people are cashing out, how they're cashing out, and you can see their usernames as well. This website is great because it's super transparent with all their members and how much money people are earning on here and how much they're getting cashed out. So it's a really great website to check out. Another plus to this website is that they do offer a lot of different payment methods like PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill. There are a lot of different options that you can choose from, and this is available pretty much anywhere in the world, so you can access your cash out really quick and really easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a 100% free account, so you're going to want to stay tuned. But before I do that, we're going to take a look at this proof of payment stuff right here, just so that you can be sure that this is legit and I'm not just making this up. So if you scroll down, you can take a look. You'll see usernames. You'll also see the countries that people are earning from, and you can see how much money they're making. This site is amazing for people who have no work experience, no technical skills, and want to be able to do something that's really, really easy. All it takes is a few clicks and you can start earning money. I even have a few tips and tricks that are going to help you be able to earn more than the people that don't watch this video, so you're going to want to pay attention and stay with me because these tips are going to help you earn a lot more money. Anywho, if you want to get started signing up for a free account, all you have to do is click this button right here. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this one. And once you get to this page, all you have to do is type in your name and your email address. Then you can give them whatever username you want to use and then create a password, which you're going to put right here. And then you're going to give them your birth year. And then aside from that, they also want to know your birthplace. So you're just going to go ahead and type that in. Then you're going to prove to them that you are a human being, agree to their terms of service, and then you can hit the register button. And bada bing, bada boom, you have yourself a free account. So if you log into your account, the first thing that you probably should see is something that looks like a leaderboard, and it's just displaying who is making the most money on here. As you can see, people have actually made hundreds of dollars on this platform, and it's a really great platform to use. It's really straightforward, and all you have to do is tap a few ads on your phone, and then after that, you can start earning money. When you are logged into your account, you should also see ads that you can be able to click on and start earning. Now, the most popular ads on here are called banner ads, and you can see them right here. And if you scroll down, click on them, then you can get paid just for clicking. Now, this part is very important because if you don't follow my instructions, you could miss out on making hundreds of dollars. So what you're going to want to do is click on the ad, and once the ad opens up to a new website or a new browser, you're going to want to stay in that window for at least 30 seconds. Don't click away, don't click on anything in the window. All you have to do is stay on that page for 30 seconds. And once the 30 seconds are up, you can go ahead and exit out. If you don't stay on the page for 30 seconds, then you could miss out on making money. Now, another important tip is you want to scroll up and down when you're in this window just to prove that you're a human being, because sometimes they think that if the window just opens and there's no scrolling or moving of the cursor that happens, then they kind of assume that you're a robot, which you don't want them to think that. So go ahead and scroll and move your cursor and do all of that stuff, but do not click on anything in this window.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now, another way to be able to earn on here is through daily fix advertising, and kind of similar to the last types of ads, you just click on here, stay for at least 10 seconds, and then they're going to pay you for that. So a lot of people are making money through this method as well. It's super easy. All you have to do is click, stay for a few seconds, and then you've got some money. Now, I do have another bonus tip in relation to daily fix ads. You're going to want to go ahead and open at least 5 of these ads every single day because it's going to help you earn as much as 10 times more than other people that click these ads. By doing this, you're going to be able to unlock more features, and these features are actually going to be able to help you earn even more money. Anywho, as I said, it's super easy. All you need to do is click on ads, stay for at least 10 seconds or 30 seconds for some ads, scroll, click. Don't click. All you have to do is scroll, move the cursor, and make sure that you kind of look like you're not a robot. And then after that, you can start earning money. Now, if you want to make an extra buck, all you have to do is refer your friends and family using your code, and you could start making hundreds more dollars than everyone else that uses this app. Doing this can help you get to the leaderboard, and it can help you score a lot of cash. Anywho, I hope you guys try that out. It's a really great way to be able to earn some extra cash, and good luck.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.